I get this doesn't look very appetizing, but some yummy food doesn't. They're these noodles. I got them from TikTok shop. They'll be in my showcase somewhere. And then I had some meatballs left over, so I just put that in there. Why not? I just not want that. Oh, then just got some crispy onions, and I put some chilli. Can you see the red bits in there? Like that lazy chilli. Oh, I should have let this fall down, shouldn't I? Is that? That bloody cat, I swear he always tries to get in my videos. That's a bit of chilli. God, look at that steam. I need to stop doing this. I just like hot food. I like hot food, hot coffee. We start letting it get cold. What even is that? Do you know what I mean? Anyway, basically finished my Christmas shopping. I say that. I've done all the kids and like some of the people, but I've got to do my mum yet. I always say to her, let me know what you want. And she's like, I don't really need anything. Mind you, I say the same. I can never think what I want. I asked for some sharp knives actually from my mum, like a good set of sharp knives, because mine's gone crappy. Oh. And this perfume. Coco Chanel. But me, that's expensive now though, isn't it? It is an expensive perfume, but it's Christmas, isn't it? And bless her, do you know what perfume she asked? Because it is actually one of her favourites. Freaks me out every time. Can you hear that? That's my cat / dog. Honestly. Anyway, is it Elizabeth Arden? Red Door? I think it's that. So, I'll get that and some other things. Oh no, I'll just ring it. You know? I'm usually quite good at getting presents, to be fair. For my mum, anyway. I cannot wait to see the kids' face in the morning. That is the best part of Christmas, is just seeing the faces. I'm not sure if I think about this. This is nice. I mean, the carbonara one is best, but Ellie had that. So, I shouldn't have made it while I was in the shower. So, anyway, have you eaten? If you haven't, let's have something. Something's better than nothing. And if you have, what did you have? What have you had tonight? Oh, I love noodles. I told one of my friend about these noodles. I said, once you try these noodles, you're not going back to Super Noodles, mate. Absolutely not. Also, anybody that follows me on Facebook, I am still locked out. They're sending me a verification code. I should have never gone verified. I did that so people knew it was me. And there were so many pages that were not me. But by doing that, they want the 2-step verification. But they're sending the code to my old number and not giving me another option. So then it like locks everything out. I can't use anything. It just says load, load, load. So there's not really much I can do about that, personal and business. It's literally impossible to get hold of Meta. Why do they do that? It's so annoying. Do you know what I mean? Just speak to us. Your business, company. Oh well. What can you do, eh? Anyway, have a good evening.